What's good with you boys, man? DRELAMARR back at it with another one. Thank you for coming to my channel. I appreciate all the support, all the love, man. And while you at it, please smash the like and hit the subscribe. Man, we over 110 subscribers now, and we on the journey to 1,000, trying to get monetized so we can achieve our dreams and goals of getting that Corvette Z06, man. So I know with the support of all of you out there watching, with all y'all supporting, we're going to get that vet, man. I know y'all want to see me in that vet, man, acting a fool, man. So go ahead, support the channel. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment down below. Share it. All of the above, man, and help your brother grow. But other than that, I ain't going to hold you up and talk your ear off today. We're going to throw this little crunch amp on there. 6x8 Pioneers. Because I think the factory amps on Scar went ahead and kicked the bucket. So other than that, I got something else on my sleeve, but y'all see when I get to it. Other than that, go ahead, smash the like, hit the subscribe, as and let's get into it. Yay! First thing I did was disconnect that negative battery terminal, which probably should put something, make sure ain't nothing touching that. Took this power wire, did it the old-fashioned way, running through the fender. The inside, we put it through that grommet, which led to us coming from down there. So we're gonna run it along here to back here. Man, I took that whole Mach 460 system out, and look how big it is. Look how heavy this is. This is serious weight reduction right here, boy, because I'm tossing this thing. Well, I can't even pick it up with one hand. Two amps on it. Oh, that's freed up weight, free horsepower, y'all. Ran the tweeter here, connected to this speaker to one wire, ran through and ran it down to the back. So we pretty much got this side buttoned up. I'm now gonna hook up the RCAs and the remote wire, and then I'm gonna tackle that side, run it all to the back, and then start. All I would need at that point is the ground wire, hook up the power wire up front, and we're ready. Them all. Let's try that again. We're just gonna keep rolling on that one, man. Hold on now. I gotta redeem myself. all said and done, as y'all seen, we all buttoned up. Got all that in there. Screwed that down to the board for now. And I guess we done. Hold on, man. I forgot to add that. How y'all liking that? DRELAMARR edition seat delete kit. It ain't perfect, but it's a whole lot better than it was, huh? I'm sorry it's so blurry, y'all. I put that black in here now. I don't want to focus, but yeah. So that's a whole lot cleaner. I would say, in my opinion. I can't step back much because of the car right here. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, give it a big fat like, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you got any comments, questions, or anything about the current build, or about me adding the 4-channel amp for my highs and the seat delete kit that I made myself. If you guys have any questions, comments, or whatever, go ahead, smash that like, hit the subscribe, leave a comment down below. Other than that, that's it for today, man. So y'all go ahead and do what you do best, man, and tap in with your boy. We out.